Aparna Dutt Sharma, Chief Executive Officer of India Brand Equity Foundation. IBEF, as we are known within India and externally, is the branding and communication arm, which has been set up. In fact, we are fairly young as an organization, which was set up almost a decade ago, and our prime remit is to promote the Made in India label. It's a fledgling organization, a fairly young organization, which actually comes in, its emergence is very timely in terms of the fact that when you find nations competing for the same pie of trade, competition and tourism, it obviously seemed just the right time for India also to make its story known, especially when today India and Indians have got so many achievements and successes to their name. And what we have really realized in the journey, because when IBEF started as a foundation, we noticed that most of the India story was not known to the world. Probably the first identity that we had, or the brand identity which India got, was really by virtue of the IT, information technology. But over the years, if I were to share with you that India is the largest producer of spices, mangoes, largest consumer of tea, amongst the world players, amongst the 6 largest players when it comes to the top pharma producers in the world, India offers the 2nd largest pool of scientists and engineers working across the world. 11 out of 12 diamonds which are cut and polished across the world are from India. And there's so much more. In fact, much more beyond pharma, I would like to add, which is little known. India is also home to 24 of the Deming Prize winners, which is the largest and the highest award in terms of manufacturing, and that's outside of Japan. So we have got so many different successes as a country, as a nation, as people, which we thought we should be talking to and communicating to the world. And that is what we really say. IBEF is in the business of storytelling.
I am Dr. Appaji. I am the Director General of Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council of India. This is the organization is shortly known as Pharmexcil. This organization is set up by Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Our primary role is to promote Indian pharmaceuticals in the international markets, handle all challenges that Indian pharma is facing, and also to ensure to the global community that Indian pharmaceuticals sector is a trusted source for supplying quality generics at affordable prices. That is our major objective, and ensure this benefit to the globe after having taken benefit of this industry by having 95% of India's drug requirement, generic requirement for 1.2 billion population at our own, through our own sourcing at most affordable costing. India had got that benefit, and the thing is now how to really serve the globe as pharmacy of the world today by providing medicines at affordable prices, all generic versions. We have been trying our best, and now we have reached to an extent of $14.7 billion is our export. Last year ended March 2013, and we are targeting to achieve this to a figure of $25 billion exports by March 2016.
These kind of platforms where you have vast players, I believe there are almost 30,000 visitors. So what better place to be able to communicate that pithy message that India has: credible, affordable and sustainable healthcare solutions for the world.